What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with Fro.
What's up?
And we are working on the dash finally. So we already prepped, ready to go. We're just gonna start having fun.
Just doing a light scuff, get it all ready.
And then roll some shit on.
Then we're gonna flock this thing.
That's what's up. Alright. Stay tuned, guys. Let's have some fun today.
Hey, on this too.
On the...
It actually doesn't matter. It's all gonna be covered.
So Fro and I went ahead and hit it with some 220 grit. Got it looking light. I'm gonna paint the inner piece of that so we can flock all the outside. I'll show you guys. But it's looking good so far. We're getting ready to flock now. Just gotta set up the glue. So this is the idea. I'll paint that black and then I'll flock the rest because it's textured. So I'll show you. We're all set up. You gotta be careful with this stuff, guys. Like, this sets up ridiculously fast, right? So they say as soon as you roll it on, you want to immediately throw it on. It's going to take a good amount of time to get from one end of the dash to the other, because there is a lot of real estate, you know. So we've already hit it with the 220 grit. Before we did that, we hit it with some degreaser and wiped it down as best we could. I've taped off some of the vents that I don't want hit, and after we hit it with the 220, we wiped it down with a dust cloth, a tack cloth, just to pick up any of that crap up. And now we're gonna roll it on with these foam rollers and brushes. And this we set up already, because if you try to set this up after you roll it, it could take a couple more minutes and ends up messing with your dry time. So prep this up. They say like half full. I got it a little bit over half full. And yeah, we're gonna do all of them. Or I think we might just do the dash first. Okay, just do all.
It's gonna be covered with the glove box.
Yeah, yeah. Because when you open it, you want to be able to see it.
All right.
Anything that's textured, I say we do.
All right.
The big focus point is that we just get in there, so when we pop it out, it doesn't see like an empty spot.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. There's no easy way to grip it.
When you're right, this black will cover it nicely.
Alright guys, so here we go. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it. Center console's done. It does really look good though. And these are gonna go good with a black seat. And then we're gonna go full race car interior. Alright? We're gonna go completely gut the whole car. Let me shut off this fan. Turned out as fuck. So, full race car, guys. I've decided we're gonna make door cards for her. And we're gonna get rid of the headliner and get rid of anything. Any of you guys want a fully clean, pressure wash, whatever, cleaned interior, EX interior, front and rear seats, beige with headliner, full color change on your car? Let me know. DM me or hit me up, guys, on the comments, because we could work something out. I just wanted to go to a good home at least, and I'm not looking for much at all. I'm just gonna, that or I'm gonna save it. It's 30-year-old interior that's still super clean. But I think the dash turned out good. What do you think, bro? You happy with it?
Great, yeah.
I was super skeptic during the process because I'm just Joe. But it definitely looks super good, guys. So super short video today, guys. We're not going to get too deep into it. I told you we were going to flock the dash. We are flocking the dash, but the big piece of this today is the fact that you guys are now in the know that we are going full race car. We're going to get rid of anything that's unnecessary in the interior and see how much we can drop the weight. I'd really like to see if I can drop it at least 200 to 300 pounds if I'm lucky, but we'll see. I've already started collecting my pile of crap right there. I'll weigh that with all of that interior over there, and every door panel and everything I take off, I'm just going to try to keep a tally of and weight, and eventually see what we have at the end of it. But the dash turned out good, guys. So I think that's going to be it for us today, guys. Unless, Joe, you want to work on the car? You want to rip the motor out?
No.
No, me neither. I don't want to rip the motor out. So,
I don't.
all right, guys, we're out of here, bro.
Peace.
Peace.
You just gotta remember, garages don't give you consistent good lighting.
Alright, guys, so overall super happy with the results. Big steps to these guys is obviously timing, right? You need a buddy. I couldn't have did that without the help of Fro. I mean, the glue was setting up just as fast as I was rolling it on, you know. So there's a couple little sections that I'm gonna have to retouch, like that line right there that you see. The cool thing is with this product, all you gotta do is just throw a little bit more glue on and then hit it with some more flock. I unfortunately ran out of some flock, guys, so flock it. I gotta buy another bag. I think the bag is like 19 bucks or something like that. We still have some glue. So a couple little random touch-up spots, but overall, super happy. This is what the interior will look like, hopefully. I'll show you guys my ideas. Or the dash. Being flocked, I was hoping for it to look like one huge centerpiece, and I think it's gonna look good. I just gotta paint that or flock that. I'm thinking I'm gonna flock the bottom portion and see if I can't, or even better, go to the dealer and see if I can't get a all black one. But overall, guys, super happy. Would recommend it to anybody who wants to cut down some of that glare and off of their dash when they're on the racetrack. So again, thanks for hanging out, guys. I appreciate you. Hit the like, comment, subscribe like always, and share it if you can. Anybody who needs to know this type of stuff. But overall, super happy, guys. So thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one. Peace.